If you've been looking for a really special 3-bedroom condo, then stop what you're doing and make sure you check out 890 Sheppard Avenue West, Suite 601. Located in beautiful Bathurst Manor, this spacious, almost 1,000 square foot 3-bedroom and 2 full bath suite has been completely renovated and has a quiet north exposure. How about a tour? Come on in, let me show you around. The wide foyer with an extra large coat closet and custom built-ins opens into your open concept kitchen, living and dining room. The kitchen has been completely renovated and features quartz counters, stainless steel appliances and beautiful cabinets. Walk out from the spacious living room and enjoy your morning coffee on the wide balcony on the quiet north side. The spacious primary bedroom features a double closet with custom built-ins, a second walkout to the balcony, and a beautiful renovated 4-piece ensuite bathroom. 2 more roomy bedrooms, also with custom closet built-ins, and another renovated full bathroom completes the space. Enjoy a locker on the same floor as your suite, walking distance to Sheppard West Subway, fabulous eateries, and it's zoned for excellent schools. Whatever you do, don't miss it. Book your showing today.